Hello, ladies and gentlemen, people of YouTube. We are here today for Uzi to interrupt me.
How about we both say the same thing at the same time?
Should we try it?
Yeah.
What is up, you guys? We're here today for the longest
hippie jump.
All right, let's try that one more time. Ladies and gentlemen, people of YouTube, we're here today for the most terrifying challenge in the history of all challenges. What, Dan?
I'll do your ad-libs.
Okay.
Yeah.
What does that even mean? A few years back with the wonderful Chris McNugget, we did the longest hippie jump challenge where we get 2 rails, sketchy rails, heavy rails. If you clip, you're gonna go and die. The longest hippie jump challenge, we started with 1 and kept extending it by 1 foot until we got to Chris McNugget's record of 9 feet, which you literally pulled your hamstring, right?
No, so what happened was, I think we tried to go for 10 feet.
Aaron's like, $200 on this try. And I'm like, all right, I'm feeling it. He says 1 try. So I send it. Hi, Mo. What's up, dude?
It looks good on camera.
Does it? Okay,
yeah,
cool.
I swear.
So I go for it, and I just bail because it was so scary. If you mess up, you hit the other rail, you get bodied. And I ended up bailing, and I was going so fast that when I landed with my feet, I just rolled out instantly and like messed up my lower back for a while, and I was in pain for like a good month or so.
So basically, backs are on the line in this video. And then we have Braille member Ricky Glaza over here.
I was not present last time.
He's like, 9 feet. Another challenge yesterday, it was 10 feet. That's nothing. So if Rick, you don't go 20 feet talking that kind of mess.
20 feet. All I want to say is I want to see me body. I'm going to slide on the ground, burn up my arms. We're going to get at least 10 for sure.
I broke the tape measure. Let's just make a guess, everyone. Before we start this video, leave it in the comments below before the challenge starts. How many feet do you think and who is going to be the winner?
Dude, why are they holding the camera so close? Bro, chill. I got maybe 6 feet.
JD, who do you think is going to win?
I do not know.
Nope, you got to give me an answer. Doesn't matter.
Ricky is gonna get 12. Chris is gonna get at least 10. Mowgli got 9, at least.
Glow, last but not least, how far do you think you're going to make it, Glow?
I'm gonna be real with the camera right now. Does it look like a hippie jump?
All right, so Rick, you want this to be your second one.
Wait. I have a question. So they're not just hippie jumping 1?
No, you got to clear the second.
Why wouldn't you just put tape where they land? Get out of my face!
So, should we just pull the second one out and do the first one first, everyone? Where's the tape? No, we don't do tape. The measurement is by the second rail. I missed the tape.
Hold on!
Holding it for you. Thank you. A good friend, right?
Do I do it?
No. You just got good.
I love that rail. I will not be taking part in the double rail hippie jump.
Okay, all I need you to do is ref and tell me if they're making it, which is a very easy job.
I'll do this though.
Okay.
All right, contestants, we are starting out the competition with 0 feet, 1 single hippie jump. JD, after this, oh my, it's already sketch.
Is that snake right there?
Oh. Woo!
Hey, can we just completely move these out?
Come here, I gotta tell you something. I've come up with my best idea yet.
What is it?
You might want to sit down for this one. All right, you ready for this? We dress up. Somebody dresses up like a snake, and then we go to the skate park and snake every person that attempts to do any trick at the skate park. Is that not great?
Find me a snake
You go
costume. We'll do it.
snake cut people
Someone
off.
will probably try to fight you.
It'll be funny though, because you'll be wearing a snake costume. Yeah, and plus nobody wants to get bit by a snake, so they're not gonna try to fight you.
Is everyone ready to move on? We're going 1 foot.
1 foot at a time.
All right, fellas, let's have a good game. We want a clean game here. 12 inches right here. Nope, keep going. Nope, too far. Way too far. Way too far. That's 8 inches. We want 12. Oh, you're doing it by this side?
Yeah.
12 inches right there.
Very nice.
That's definitely not, what do you call it? Oh, I'm trying to think of the word.
Switch! Come on, man. 2 feet.
3 feet?
2.
All right, here we go.
Oh, that's perfect. We're at 2 feet, fellas.
Godspeed. I'm gonna go crazy.
Oh! Oh!
Can't think of the word. Driving me
Man,
crazy.
just let it go, brother.
I gotta look it up.
You got it. Yeah! Woo! Man, you got got people risking life and limb, and all you can worry about is a word.
It's bothering me.
All right, come on, 3 feet.
Okay.
3 feet then.
3
3 feet. Come on. Oh, are you playing the guessing game?
Yeah.
You want to see if you
I
can
wanna
get
see if
close?
I got it right.
Dude, this is sick. Oh, half an inch off. 3 feet.
It's 1 McNug board length. This is the one we just did, right?
Oh my God. Both died.
Next episode of Beyond Bodied starring Mowgli.
Oh.
They might not make it to 4. Go team, go sports. One more try.
Mowgli, land 3.
You ever seen something so satisfying? Look at this right here, ready? How does it work?
Oh. Oh. 4 feet.
All right, look, I'm gonna use my 4 feet detector right here.
Dang, I was right.
Wow, you were.
I was right originally. Then.
We're at 4 feet. Whoa, the first big rig bail.
Rick's at his limit.
Oh. Why is Mowgli still going switch?
Look at this, look at this.
Oh. Oh. You got caught red-handed.
What's up? I thought he was crying. I thought you were crying. I'm not making fun. Mowgli copied your grip tape. Glow got offended. I don't know why. Sorry.
4 feet.
You know, another plus to having that new fence is when people fly out the gate, probably not gonna get ran over by a car now.
True.
Someone drifting.
All right, 5 feet.
5 feet. All right, let's use the 5 feet detector. Oh, Mowgli was right. Good job, Mowgli.
5 feet. We are now officially
Millipede.
at twice the size of Chris McNugget.
Millipede has 5 feet.
Somebody help me.
Eat your vegetables.
Hit your shit.
Oh! Oh no, Mo!
That's what we're trying to avoid right there at all costs. You don't want to clip that second rail at all. Especially switch.
Oh!
Yes, I'm tapping out, bro.
All right, 6
Who
feet.
gave me this thing? I'm a nuisance.
6 feet.
Taller than me.
Have like the reflection of the light too.
Quote from Rick, it doesn't matter if you hit the road.
Why did he fall harder going regular?
Oh my God.
Kind of hurt my leg, honestly. I feel like the bone in my lower leg and my upper leg are not in sync anymore. Let me try. I'll probably try one more.
Danger zone. Danger, danger.
You should not do another try. Oh my! Oh, from 5 to 6 feet, it has escalated.
I just know I have nothing to do with Chris going again.
I yelled for my mom.
I think we should move it regardless, because then we'll just be stuck. We should move it forward.
What do you mean? Oh, like this that way?
No, this. Because like if we wait on me to land it, we'll be here longer. So other people here are warmed up. I'll just keep trying it.
Move it.
7 feet. Tap out.
I'm gonna tap out at 6. I think Ricky can do 10, just little by little. But yeah, my lower leg and my upper leg, like the joint kind of like, I don't know, I landed sideways, kind of weird.
I put a piece of wood for
That's
you.
a nice soft landing right there.
Yeah, so you won't hit your head on the metal right here.
My head will break that wood. Let's get it.
Is this 7?
No, watch this. 1 foot kick. Ready? Oh my God! Exactly 7.
7 feet.
He did it?
Top 10 moments of my life. Stay 6 feet away.
Oh! Rick! Why?
Broke all my toes, brother.
That hurt my shin.
7 feet. Oh my God!
He even said he was gonna move the car. It's in the danger zone.
Oh my God! Yo!
Woo, close one.
Chris tapped out.
Really?
Yeah.
He did 6 though, right?
Yeah.
He landed it and then body.
And then he hurt his leg and then landed it and then he said he doesn't want to hurt his leg more.
And Mowgli didn't do the other one, but
No.
I think he said he wanted to send this one.
Mowgli, are you still trying?
7, do 7.
Oh my.
Oh! Oh!
I don't know how the heck we did 9 feet.
I don't.
That was real.
That's 7. It's the same as before.
All right, people.
Is that safer?
I'm just trying to get used to the run up, kinda.
You're going so fast, the board is not moving. So when you land on it, you gotta speed the board up to how fast you're going.
I'm getting the technique. See, like my board's pretty much in the same spot every time. What did we do, Gabriel? 10?
The record was 8, not 9. So if you go 9, that's the record.
Should we just put it to 9 right now? I'm feeling it. I feel like the hardest part is staying over it, not necessarily clearing it.
Just don't bail. At that speed, that's where you get hurt.
Ricky launches, and all you see is a concerned Aussie Dan running to the board out there. Oh, yeah, Rick. Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh! Hey, just focus the rail when you're done, too.
Breaking records. Right in my heart, right there.
Oh! Yeah!
Yeah! Oh, on the broken board. Get my backpack.
Backpack it. Backpack it.
Backpack it. Whoa. Gabe, that was tough. Guys, remember, we are real people. These are real videos we out here making for you. This is real life. Incredibly dangerous real life. I feel like it's possible to go further. You jump higher, you go even faster. It's just the body factor gets higher and higher. Whew. Well, I'm very hyped on that. That's by far the longest hippie jump I've ever done. Very stoked. The squad out here supporting. I was getting a little frustrated, break the board, and it lit a fire under me to just commit and land it before it fully broke. So we're feeling good out here, guys. Let us know in the comments what records should we try to attempt next. Maybe we could do some crazy ones. We'll leave it up to you guys. Let us know. There are some videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave it in the comments below. What did you think of this video? We want you to learn how to skateboard. Check out the Braille skateboarding app and consider subscribing to the Braille Plus membership. We'll see you in the next one.